Hey guys, Adam went to Michigan last week for work and he told me he bought me something that he just saw it at a store and he thought I was gonna like it. So he ordered it and it arrived today. So let's go ahead and open it. So it's this box. I'm gonna rotate it since it has like our address over here. But yeah, I'm not really sure what it is. He said there's something for me in here and something for him. So, yeah. First, we'll take the address off, just in case. But yeah, I don't know what it is. Usually, you know, he does give me gifts, and he's a really good gifter because there are many things sometimes that I say I want, and he just remembers, and he surprises me. For my birthday, he actually ended up getting the Ninja, what did he get? Like the Ninja, what is it called? The one that makes ice cream. I forget what it's called. I wanted that, and I told him that a couple of months ago, and I completely forgot about it. And then I woke up the next day, and it was like on the kitchen table. I was like, this is awesome. I've been wanting to make like ice cream and things like that, so I think that's perfect. But I don't know what this is. So it is really well packed, and it says handle with care. Part of me thinks it's art, but I don't know. I am a fan of getting paintings and things like that. It is really well packed, so we'll see. I don't know what it could be, honestly, but that was my first thought. Oh, okay. Maybe this is not for me. Or maybe it is. Okay, well, there is Avenged Sevenfold, a vinyl. I think this is for him. So maybe that's a record. Okay, cool. It's records. So we do have a record player, and like we like listening to records. He said one of them was for me. Coheed and Cambria. I mean, honestly, these could all be for me because I also listen to the same music. Oh my God, this is awesome. I love it. Okay, let me move the box. So yes, I do like Coheed and Cambria, Avenged Sevenfold. That's awesome. But I can just see through the album, and that's amazing. I love that. Faster, Diana, faster. It's Bjork. I love it. I'm a huge fan of Bjork. I don't think I tell a lot of people that, and I think it just never really comes up in conversation, but I've been a fan of Bjork since I was probably maybe 7 or 8 years old. I'm a huge fan. I love, you know, she's been in like movies and tons of music videos, obviously her music. I know that she is not definitely everybody's cup of tea, but I think she's super creative and talented, and I don't know, something about her and her music and just her creativity, I guess, that really, you know, I look up to. Just, I wouldn't say I look up to her because it's like I don't know her as a person, but I really feel inspired when I see like her music, when I listen to her music or her videos, especially her older videos. I am a huge fan. I know that, you know, she's been controversial and people think she's weird, but I think she's really amazing. So, oh my gosh, this is so awesome. I cannot wait to put it on and listen to it. So what an amazing gift. Obviously, Adam's at work, so I can't say thank you, but thank you, Lovey. This is great. So we also have these other awesome like musicians and stuff, and we'll listen to them. We've seen Coheed and Cambria live several times, and definitely I'm excited for the other one. But how awesome is this? A Bjork vinyl. I love it. All right, so let me go ahead and check out the art inside. This is like a greatest hits vinyl, so I cannot wait. This is the back. And that is kind of like her laying on the side. Let's look at the vinyl itself. I wonder if it has like a color, if it's just like a black one. A lot of the vinyls that we have are actually color. We try to get different editions. This is kind of cool. Like I said, it's just her art is like so unique. That's why I really like it. So it's just like a black vinyl record, but still has a little bit of art in the center. And the back is a different piece too. Cool. I don't want to scratch it, so let me put this back. And there's probably another one. Yeah, so just kind of interesting. These remind me of, in a way, of kind of like drawings that you would see. What was that artist? Obviously not the same style, but like they kind of remind me of like Murakami. Murakami is my favorite artist. Yeah, my favorite artist as far as like painter. And yeah, here's the other one. I don't know if you can see it here. And then last but not least, just like other little like figurines. Cool. Yeah, this is so exciting. I'm gonna go definitely play it right now and enjoy it. I love this gift. It's so cool, and I am curious. Yeah, and there is a lot of different songs, and Hunter is there. One of my favorite songs from Bjork. All right, well, thank you so much for joining me on this unexpected gift unboxing. I'm happy I was able to record it and kind of have it as a way to show Adam how excited I was, because I was not sure what he got. He just kept saying, oh, it's not a big deal. It's just something I saw and it made me think of you. And it's always really sweet when I get gifts from Adam, because I feel like he's such a great gift giver. He really just has that special touch of getting something that you really wanted. And, I've like, out of everything, like he's in Michigan, like I was like, maybe he'll give me a painting or it's like some candy or something. So when he kept saying like, oh, it's not a big deal, it's just like something I saw and thought of you. I'm like, oh, I don't know what it is. So this is obviously, you can tell that man is just on another level. I love my husband, so I'm so excited. I'm gonna actually stop this video and go listen to my record. But thank you for joining, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.